Hi, welcome back to my YouTube automotive channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to replace cabin air filter on 2020 Mitsubishi Outlander. This is gonna be the same for the Mitsubishi Outlanders from 2013 all the way up to 2022. On this vehicle, cabin air filter is located inside the glove box. To locate and replace cabin air filter, you will have to first open the glove box. Then on the left side of the glove box you're gonna see the damper arm. You wanna release that one. So you can release it by pressing on this end of the plastic, and then just you wanna slide this part out. For that I'm gonna be using two hands. Once when you squeeze that end part of this plastic, you should be able to remove the damper arm. Next step is to push in both sides of the glove box. Now the glove box is out of the way and we can see where is our cabin air filter. Cabin air filter is located behind this plastic cover. To remove plastic cover, you want to unhook it on the both sides. Once it is unhooked, you can just remove that plastic cover. Now you can see your cabin air filter. Always remember the arrow which way it's pointing, because your new filter you have to install the same way. Now you can take this out. We can inspect it. And we see it's actually kind of dirty cabin air filter. And now I'm gonna install the new cabin air filter. Make sure it's all the way in. And now we can put the plastic cover back on. Make sure it's tight and secure. We're gonna push the glove box back inside. And the last thing we'll have to do is to attach damper arm. And that's it. Thanks for watching.